UPS is here.
Yeah, that's big. I think it is huge. Shit bigger than my phone. I didn't think it was coming till like tonight. I had a package the other day that was supposed to come next week, but it came in yesterday. Yeah. Just anywhere, man. This is good. I have another one for you. I want to leave with another toy. Bottom one right here. Go ahead, Dave. This one's for you. Alright, man. You have a good one. I appreciate it. Thank you. Oh, I was on the ass. I was gonna say, I don't know if it's extra one, but.
Appreciate it, brother. And what's the last name?
RTR.
Appreciate it.
Yo, it's here. It's here. XL is here. I can't wait to get this motherfucker open, bro. Been waiting for so freaking long. We're definitely gonna have to come back out and put it together. That's for sure. Oh man, I'm so excited. What is good? Everybody. I need to find my lights. I had some portable lights from the Gixxer that I had. I can't find them, so I'm gonna have to buy some new. Let's walk it out. My pants are falling down because I have no belt on whatsoever. Shit, I feel I think I feel some rain. It doesn't look like it's gonna rain, but I think it might. Let's take it out real quick, see if we can get to our spot and see what's happening. All right, so we are gonna be chilling in. I had it wrong. So eco mode, which is in right now, is actually, I think it said like, I think it said 8,000 watts, and then regular mode is at 12,000 watts, and your whole shot mode is 16,000 watts. This thing is a beast. Eco mode, it just pulls. There we go. That's the one thing I want to do. Yo, this thing was wheeling like crazy. Holy crap. This is in eco mode, and as you just saw, I had to keep it from freaking flying into the fence. Holy crap. I guess I need to, it just has so much torque. Crazy. I think I need to get another, I'm gonna have to definitely tighten these bolts down. Holy crap, man. It rained all weekend. Like this entire field is freaking like overgrown. This thing is so dope. That scared me. Actually freaking scared me how fast that was. That was crazy. It's just got so much torque, dude. This thing is not a joke. I was trying to show off and shit, and I almost flew off. Yeah, I'm seeing 170s everywhere now. Crazy. Let's go. I don't know what this thing tops out at. $45, $49. Holy shit. This is, oh my god, this is crazy though. This is crazy. T1 is insane. Let's take a look at this thing, man. Oh my goodness, bro. That was insane. That was, oh my gosh. Are you serious? Bro, this thing just went 51 on knobbies and didn't even break a sweat on eco mode. I haven't even tried it. I ain't tried it on regular mode yet. This is not your run-of-the-mill. This is not your this is not your budget bike. And the reason why I say that is because, you know, there's a ton of popularity with the budget bikes right now, and that's, to me, that's anywhere between like 1,200 to, or 1,000 to, you know, 1,800, 1,900. You know, can get you a really good budget bike that's around, that can, you know, output about 6K. But this is crazy. This is absolutely crazy. 8K, 12K, 16K whole shot mode. I'm scared to try the whole shot mode. I'm not ready for that just yet. But the fact that I was almost doing wheelies, trying to show off unintentionally, just lets me know how much power this bike has and how much respect I need to give it, because right now this is a beast, bro. This is crazy. This is crazy. This is crazy. This thing is crazy, bro. Wow. 100% real slow. That's the only other tag that I can find for this thing. Holy crap, dude. Like, I definitely got to tighten down these handlebars. I almost looped that shit in the grass multiple times. Thank God I was able to just not panic and let the throttle go. Just insane. So this was the first ride, technically the second ride, because y'all didn't see the first one on camera, but I just took it up and down the street just to make sure nothing was wobbling, everything was installed correctly. And yeah, that was it. And then this is the actual first true ride, which is why it really surprised me that I almost got thrown off. But I don't even understand. I can't even really put the words into it. I mean, the fully adjustable suspension. This is a big boy bike. This is a real bike, man. This is what I was hoping and planning to do, to learn just really how to not necessarily stunt, but just how to be more comfortable with a bike, how to learn, do tricks and stuff like that. I really want to learn how to do wheelies, and hopefully it can translate, you know, later on with the Gixxer. But I just really wanted something I can just ride around like freely and just mob around on, man, on the regular streets as well. I do have the light kit. I got to put the headlight kit on. It's a pain in the ass because it looks like a lot of, even though it's all plug and connect, it's just, I'm gonna have to tear the bike back down again to start running all the electrical. But it is what it is. I'm gonna have to buy a tail light here, and then some signals. I think the tail light has signals built in, so it's all good. Should be good to go. Man, this thing is freaking beautiful, bro. Like, it don't even make sense how beautiful this bike is. I'm gonna see if I can get a slow-mo. Let's see if I can get a slow-mo. Let's see if I can get a slow-mo of this beast. That's crazy. Yeah, it's just wild. Like, I'm shocked. And yeah, definitely need some gear on with this. Some gloves. I need to get some gloves, or just wear my gauntlets. But definitely need a helmet for this thing. So I might be looking into like a dirt helmet or something. I just don't want anything that's gonna be too give me 1 second, bro. I don't know why. So annoying, dude. All right, man, let's get back. Like I said, I just wanted to do a first impressions review on this thing. And like I said, in eco mode, 51 miles an hour. I think I pinned it. I don't even remember if I pinned it or not. I think I pinned it. That's just crazy to me. I can only imagine how fast whole shot mode is, bro. I spent all day putting this thing together. Not all day, but pretty much all day. But yeah, I want to get the headlight on here. It just keeps going faster and faster. Crazy. I keep looking for for my signal lights, and I don't have any. That's the one thing I do like about the Escoot. The Nova Mini has the signal lights, everything on there. Yeah, the Escoot Mini got, I just shot. This thing is so fast. Like, y'all saw me grinning and shit on on the Nova Mini. You saw me grinning on the Nova Mini. Hella excited. This shit makes it seem like it's just insane. Shit. Let's see if we got Bear County. Oh, bro. Super duper super duper fun, man. Holy shit. Can't believe I bought this. This shit is like, I don't even understand. If I can throw this in the truck and go almost anywhere, I would almost certainly be riding it a lot more than a Gixxer. It just depends on where you want to go, though. Like camping and just doing whatever, ripping. Wow. Yeah, it's very fun to just rip. This is crazy. I cannot wait to start learning how to wheelie this thing. Got to put on the gear first, though, because... And I kind of do just want to enjoy the niceness of it before I fuck it up, because trust me, I already had a little encounter there, and I thought I was really about to mess it up. and I would have been very upset on day one. But we're gonna enjoy it a little bit more, get it more comfortable on it before we start doing crazy stuff. But dude, y'all did a fabulous job. Now this is really making me want the drift cart. It's making me really want the drift cart. But I think what I really want to do now that I'm thinking about it, I really wish they would come out with the same size back and fronts with just supermotos, with sumos on them. Even if they're spoked, I don't even care. I would prefer mags, but I'd take the spoked. But hopefully they'll come out with them soon, because I really don't want to go down to 14s on the front and rear. I like the 14 on the rear. I don't know if I really want 14s on both sides, but who knows? It doesn't really matter to me. They'll change the geometry a little bit, but the bike is still going to be freaking fun to rip. Holy crap. What a fun bike. Wow.